Hi children, welcome back to computer class. So today we are going to continue our chapter on paint, that is fourth chapter, exploring MS Paint. And in the previous classes we have learned about how to first we have learned how to select an image, then we have learned about the clipboard group, and last class we have learned about the image group. So today we are going to learn about more on the text tool. So text tool is used to add text to an image. As the name itself, text tool means it is used to add text. If we want to type something in above our image, or if you want to type something in the MS Paint program, we are using the text tool. And you can see this is the text tool. You can see A here, and that is the text tool. This text tool is used to type something in a MS Paint program. So next is how to add text. That is, under the home tab in the tools group, click on the text tool. You can see the home tab, and under the home tab you can see the tools group. In that group you can see the text tool. It will be with an icon A. So drag the pointer to the drawing area where text needs to be added. Notice that the text appears on the paint window. So when you click on the text tool, a text box appear on your painting area or drawing area, and you can drag that text box to where you have to type. From the text tab in the font group, select the font size, style, etc. That means we have typed something in our text tool, and we can change the font type, font size, font color also. The colors group, you can also change the color by clicking on color 1, and you can choose the desired color for your text. So these are the steps that we have to follow to insert a text in the MS Paint program. And you can see different parts are there. While clicking on the text tool and the text box appear, you can see a new many options appear in the ribbon. So first is the font size. Font in your textbook, it is shown in page number 48. First one is the font size. Font size changes the size of the text. If you want to increase your text size, or if you want to decrease your text size, we are using the font size option. Next is font. Font is similar to handwriting. We can select the different types of font style. That means we can choose the different styles of handwriting from this font type. Italics is there, bold is not. Italics and bold, many types of handwritings are there. So you can choose any one from that option. Next is bold, italics and underline, that is BIU here. Bold means to make our text thicker. So if we want to make our text thicker, we are using the bold B. Italics is used to make the text slant to right. If we want to write our text, if we want to look our text in a slanting position, we are using the italics I option. Next is underline. Underline is used to draw a line below the text. You know what is underlining. So if you want to underline the text that you have typed, we are using the underline option, that is U. Strike through strike through is used to draw a line over the text. If you want to strike over your text, that means you can see a line over your text. If you want the text like that, you can choose the strike through option. So these are the four options: bold, italics, underline and strike through. Next is opaque and transparent. Opaque and transparent is if you want to choose your text background as transparent, you can choose the transparent option. If you want any opaque, means your background is not transparent, for that you can choose the opaque option. So opaque and transparent is used to indicate the background of the text selection. So our text will have a background. If you want that background transparent, you can choose the option transparent. If you don't want a transparent background, then you can choose the opaque option. And last is the colors group. You can see the colors group here, and colors group is used to give color to your text. You can choose any color from this colors, and you can select any color and then you can type. So your text will be appearing in that color. So these are the different options that you can see in when you choose the text tool option. So let us have a look on how these options look in MS Paint. Okay, so let us have a look on how this text tool looks in a MS Paint program. So you can see the in the home tab in the tools group, you can see the text tool, that is A here. Click on the text tool and you can click anywhere the text you want to come. So you can see a text box appear here and you can write in that text box. So here I have typed here my first drawing and you can see different options here. This is the font size. You can make your writings bigger. So for that you can choose the font size. So you can see the difference. Next is bold. The writings are already bold, so there is no change will happen. Next is italics. You can see the writings just have a slanting position. Next is the underline and you can see an underline here. And next is the strike through option. So when clicking on the strike through, you can see a strike on your text. So this and next option is the opaque and transparent option to make our text transparent, to make the background of the text transparent. So this is now transparent. You can see the picture of your house here. So if it is opaque, you can't see the background here. So this is the difference between opaque and transparent. And next is from the color option, you can choose any color and write your text. So your text will be in that color. And that's all for today's topic. Okay, hope you all understood today's topic. Let us meet in the interactive session. Thank you.